Off-grid trailers are built for adventure, and that includes cooking. The Expedition 3.0, a kitchen ready for any trail. Its side-mounted kitchen folds down into a compact station with a dual-burner stove and stainless steel sink. It's perfect for those simple comforts, like brewing fresh coffee as the sun rises. With 31 gallons of water, smart storage, a Bluetooth system, and an optional 69-liter dual-zone fridge freezer, the Expedition makes it easy to whip up a quick breakfast or a hearty lunch on the trail. Durable, reliable, and always ready. Cooking anywhere can still feel like home. The Pando 3.0, the ultimate galley kitchen on wheels. The entire rear of the trailer opens up to reveal a full cooking setup. A slide-out stove, stainless steel sink, Bluetooth system, and plenty of prep space make it easy to cook like a pro. You'll find a compact fridge built right into the galley, plus an optional 69-liter dual-zone fridge freezer around the corner to keep ingredients fresh. With all that storage and versatility, the Pando is ready for anything. Off-grid trailers make it easy to stay organized and dry, and helps you focus on cooking and enjoying time with friends and family. This is comfort designed for the wild.